What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of downloading and installing DaVinci Resolve 19 for free on your Windows 11. Let's begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official DaVinci Resolve website. Blackmagic Design or search DaVinci Resolve on your browser. Once you're on this page, look for the download section on the homepage. Tap on it, scroll to find the version options, select DaVinci Resolve 19 from the available versions. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. In our case, I will download the Windows version since I'm using Windows 11. Click the download button corresponding to your OS. Fill in any required information such as your name and email address. Click on the download link to begin the download process. Once done downloading, locate the downloaded installer file in your computer. Double-click the installer file to launch the installation process. Accept the terms of service. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Choose the installation location. Click Install to proceed. By following the steps, you should now have DaVinci Resolve 19 installed and ready for use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.